Now, subject expert committee of the Indian drug regulator will meet today to take up Dr. Reddy's application seeking emergency approval for Sputnik V. On the 19th of February, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories had approached the Drug Controller General of India to get the emergency use approval for the Russia's developed coronavirus vaccine Sputnik V, which has an efficacy of 91.6%. Now, my colleague Sukirti Dwivedi joins us. Sukirti, can you help us compare the efficacy of Sputnik V to vaccines that have already been administered in India?
Well, yes, the development on Sputnik V is important for the very reason that its efficacy is the highest in comparison to the other vaccines that are currently being administered in India. Covishield by Oxford AstraZeneca has an efficacy of around 70%, while Covaxin developed by Bharat Biotech, its efficacy is still not known. The phase 3 trials are ongoing. It was given an approval based on the fact that it is safe and induces an immune response. So one is about 70% efficacious and the other one's efficacy is not known. And then comes into the picture Sputnik V, which has an efficacy of 91.6%, which is only behind Pfizer and Moderna, the other vaccines that are being used in other countries, and which have a vaccine efficacy of about 94% to 95%. So Sputnik V also being important because Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has collaborated with them, and it will be producing and manufacturing the vaccine within India. So in terms of supply issues, India will not face a difficulty if this vaccine ends up getting an approval. So quantity wise, it will be very helpful for India. Secondly, in terms of storage also, it will be very convenient because it can be stored in the dry form at about 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for a period of 6 months, and that is in sync with India's existing cold storage capacities. So various factors that would work in India's favor if Sputnik V ends up getting an approval, but so far their application will be taken up today by the subject expert committee, and all eyes now on what is the decision that they take.